Zombie Square 1196. And Callum here is wasting the Mountain Dew I got.
Pay you more, I'll get you another one.
Fine. He's thinking about exploding the bottle.
Ouch!
You fucking idiot.
Look at that. Should we open it or just explode it? Explode it!
Yeah.
You coming or not to come? Coming down this way?
May as well. What a choice to have. Right, we're going to explode this Mountain Dew bottle. Show him the bottle before it dies.
Speed, Calder. Ready? Ready?
Go. Nearly got me, but go you.
Got me right in the eye. See if it's in your left, I call the shot. Shit. Whoa. Look at that, I caught it that right opened.
Fuck's sake, what that? Can you people in the hey? Wiping it on me. Hey, there's an old treadmill thing here. And me and Callum bust the screen on it, we just kept attacking it, so look at it now. Where is the screen?
So I do it with my weak stick.
Not a stick war.
Oh fuck.
Ow! Fuck off! Alright, I'm gonna try. Ah! I'm gonna climb a tree because of how childish I am. Yes, we stripped a rat tree. Was it a rat tree? Oh, it was. We had it and then took a bit off it. It's now an orange tree.
Hey, aren't you glad to see me?
No. Whoa.
I hate the annoying orange actually.
Look at it. Wait a minute.
One.
The people who are watching this will be angry at you.
How?
Because you said you hated the annoying orange. Unless they hate him too.
You shall not pass.
I can't get fucking past because you.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
You bastard.
I need to try and figure out how I'm going to get up this team. I'm trying to remember it now. I need to watch my pockets and stuff. Hey, right, was this one? Right. Hopefully, ow! Hopefully I don't drop the camera. Don't blame me, people. Watch me trying to dig up a tree. Yes, I know my hair's fucked up.
Fucked up. His hair's fucked up, but mine's
I may actually get my hair cut. It's a bit long. This is how we are. You can see the baldness of Callum's head.
Oh, fuck off. Holy shit, I feel like I'm about to fall. Pride and...
What? No, I mean, right, this is a view from Callum up there. That's all. Ah! I'm just saying, right, this is a view for me. It's quite high. Quite a bit high. Fuck off! He's fucking shaking the tree. You dick. Go a bit.
No!
You can see my house from up here. Wait a minute. What house?
No house.
See if I drop my iPod down here, man, I'm gonna... You know what I mean? Okay, this bit right down the... right wee bit there. Into Callum. Alright guys, I need to stop the camera now to get down there. Just give me a minute.
Yeah, why don't you just throw it down, I'll go and get it. Just get me it and I'll catch it.
God damn it, this is what Ninja Warrior.
I love that. Mr. Keshi's castle.
That's good.